the state of New York, we have a goal of 50% renewables by 2030. We can get there by doing projects like this. Many folks have families, have grandkids, and they want to leave this earth a better place for their children and their grandkids.
Kinder Morgan, we've often talked about our energy, natural gas and other forms of energy as a bridge to renewables.
What we want in New York State is a holistic solution, a roadmap to get to a self-sustaining solar industry.
More of our electricity coming from renewable, sustainable forms of generation is really a critical part of our future.
The challenge to get distributed energy resources, in this case solar, down here in Staten Island and down here in New York City where the load is huge.
This is the first ground-mounted solar system in New York City.
Over 9,000 individual modules at 3.1 megawatts, just about 10 acres of panels.
We did a lot of discovery sessions with the Department of City Planning, the Department of Buildings, doing a lot of research.
This has also been a cooperative effort between the state and the city of New York.
You know, space is at a premium in New York City, which makes space for solar also at a premium.
To be able to find 10 acres of usable land to put ground mount solar on is pretty rare.
This was breaking new ground. There was never a project like this before. Now I think going forward there's more of a standard process because of this project.
The solar production that we're generating here today is actually being allocated to Fordham University as well as Fordham Preparatory School, the high school up in the Bronx.
What we are trying to do is to get large-scale installations to be standard course of business.
And so now I think many Staten Islanders will look around all over Staten Island at parcels of land and say, that'd be a great place to put solar panels.
I'm excited to apply some of this experience on future projects in New York City.